Okay, we're up in Tappers Alley now. See what they're all after. Absolutely fantastic up here. A little bit early. I come a little bit early so it wouldn't be absolutely packed on the walk through. I passed at all these bars. There we go. I believe it could be right with the music there. Yeah. One of the things. Yeah, you want the middle one down there. That's Tappers Alley. Friday night, guys, in the old town. Is it busy? Loads of people. Sorry about the sun there. Another warm day in Benidorm today. It's 36 degrees at the moment. So yeah, I don't know what the temperature was today we got up to. It's going to be pretty hot though. Oh, weather warning's still out. The heat. Restaurant on the corner of Tappers Alley. There's Tappers Alley down there. Okay guys, I'm going to show you somewhere else that does Tappers as well tonight. But I'll have a look down Tappers Alley in a bit. Just going to have a little walk through town first. Just show you how many people are about, to be honest. It's been warm today though, it really has. I was only out for about half an hour, something like that. But yeah. So I'm expecting quite a lot of people out tonight. Stuff going on as well. Got bars off the side streets here as well. Good bars. Plenty of ice cream as normal. Yeah, can't do Benidorm without an ice cream, can you? So let's go out and see what we can find then, guys.